Hi everyone, myself Bhagyashree and today I am sharing the interview question. If you are a experienced, like if you have a 2+ year experience and appearing from the Angular interview questions, Angular interview related any interviews, so you can see this is the question and you can see like you will get. So that's why I am sharing here as per the like if you have a 2+ of a year experience, so this question will be asked. So let's start for that. First question, like what I face, like I already taking the interview also, so I can say like this is the benefit question if you know as an interview perspective. So let's start for that. First question we have, how does Angular handle the error handling? So if you have any idea, you can comment it down what I am telling. Otherwise, I am already giving the answer. So Angular provides robust and error handling mechanism using the service like error handler, and we can create the custom error handle by extending the error handler class and overriding the handle error method. And additionally, Angular interceptor can be used to catch the HTTP error globally and handle them appropriately. So these two things I am using for the handle error in the Angular. But if you are using the more than this, you can comment it down. It will be helpful for us also. Second, what is the role of the Angular Universal and how do you implement it? Angular Universal is a technology and allows server-side rendering of the Angular application. This enhances the performance and SEO of the web apps by rendering the initial view on the server. So to implement the Angular Universal, you need to install the what I can say ng Universal Express Engine package, create an Express server and configure the server to handle the Angular routes. Next we have, can you explain the how Angular handle the event binding? In Angular event binding, we used to handle user input in the template and respond to user action. It involves the binding an event such as a click to a method in the component using the parenthesis syntax. Event binding help keep the component logic and template events synchronized, ensuring a responsive user interfaces. So that is mean for the Angular handle the error. Event binding. Then next question, what is ahead of time compilation in Angular and why it is important? So it is a process, like here it is a process that compiles the Angular template and component during the build process, and before the browser download and run the code. This result in faster rendering and improve the performance. AOT help in catching the template error early, reducing the payload size and enhancing the security of the application by eliminating the need to ship the Angular compiler to the client. An ideal candidate, I can say, as a developer, we highlight benefit of the AOT and explain why it is critical step in optimizing Angular application. So indicating the like performance improvement technique with the help of AOT. How do you manage the dependency in an Angular project? Dependency in Angular are managed using the package manager npm. Developer, yeah, as of the development, and Angular CLI also play a significant role in managing the dependency by providing the command to add or remove the package assembly. Next we have what is Angular Heavy and what is the benefit for this. Angular Heavy is the latest rendering engineering for the Angular. It is used to improve the performance and reduce the bundle size. It compiles the component more efficiently and provide better debugging capabilities. So benefit of Angular Heavy include the faster compilation times, smaller bundle size, improve the template type checking, and enhance the backward compatibility. Next question we have, can we explain the concept of the Angular zone and their significance? Angular zone managed by the zone.js library are a mechanism for detecting and responding to asynchronous operation like HTTP request and user event. Zones can help our Angular keep track of changes and update the view accordingly. By wrapping asynchronous operation zones, ensure the Angular is a change direction runs automatically with these operations complete. So you see the like significance. Next, we have like how do you implement the internationalization in Angular application. So in Angular involve the translating the user interface of application into different language. Angular provide built-in support for the I18N through the Angular I18 library using translation files and I18 attribute in template. Next question we have, what is the Angular decorator and how they are used? Angular decorator is special declaration that attach the metadata to classes, properties, method, and parameters. They are used to configure and modify the Angular component, services, and other entities. So common decorator, we can say we have a direct component, directive, injectable, and pipe. These are the decorator help Angular understand how to instantiate and use the decorated element. And while like we are using the Angular, you have to be good hands-on, like need to know each and everything about the TypeScript. That's the reason we are using this in the Angular, and giving the good flexibility when we are running the writing program in the TypeScript. Hope you like this video, and meet you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Happy coding, happy learning, all of you.